Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a very interesting and I guess it's a very important video, because today in this video I'm going to tell you all the free mock tests which you can avail on the internet. There are around 50 plus free mock tests that you can take it. So I think this video will be very useful, and please do watch this video till the end. You'll get a lot of information which you can share it with your friends as well. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So the first website is this Government Job Adda. So just log into the page, and actually you need to log in. So I have already logged in. So here you can find it sectional mock test and also the exam mock test. So there are few paid mock tests as well as free mock tests. So you can navigate it according to your examination. So you can see SBI PO. So see all test. Here you can see you have 1 free test and 5 paid tests. So you can take the free test. It's a free test, and it's not only for SBI PO. It's available for all of the banking exams like IBPS, RRB, then clerk, NABARD, and so on. So now the next website is Byju's Exam Prep. So you can just directly go onto this link and you can just scroll down and you can find the free mock test which you can attempt, but there is expiry date for the test. So this IBPS PO and prelims mains, it can be taken before 31st of March. So and then you can avail the other mock test also. So even for this you have the paid version and also the free version, but right now we are talking about the free version, so you can just take the free versions. For prelims, it has 1 free mock test. Similarly for IBPS PO main, SBI PO main, SBI PO prelims, so you can take a free mock test from Byju's as well. And the next website is Bank Achievers. So here you have around 5 free mock tests. I think not even 5, more than 5, which is a very great thing for a beginner to take the mock test. So you can see over here SBI PO Pre. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it might be a previous year question papers or it can be a mock test. So you can just go to this website and avail this 7 free mock tests. I do try out, and please do watch the video till the end, because I will be providing you the screenshot of all the websites. So yeah, watch it till the end. And the next website is the HRanker. So in this website you'll be getting only 1 free mock test for each of the examinations. And the next website is the iExamB. So here you have more than 1 free mock test. So just go to this section called Explore All Mock Tests, and you can go to either Bank PO, RBI, IBPS, or RRB, anything. Then when I click on Bank PO, so these are the free mock tests. So IBPS PO mains. Okay, yeah. So you can take 3 free mock tests. So it's a good thing. Visit this link and you can go for any of the examinations you need and just click on IBPS. So you can avail 1 free mock test from this website. So if you want to avail the paid versions, you can do it as well. So, and the next website is Textbook, and all of you know regarding this website. So you can just log into this Textbook website and go to the test series, and then you can click on your then you can click on the required examinations, Yeah, so as you can see, like if you go for IBPS PO mains, so you can have like there is no fixed number of free mock tests, but you can once check it out while logging into the textbook. So I think there are more than 2 free mock tests. So rather than the mock test, you can avail this textbook website for sectional tests as well. I think which is very good and which will be very useful. So yeah. Also let me know in the comments section, should I make a separate video for the sectional tests as well. So yes, and do subscribe my channel. And the next website is Practice Mock. So here you will be having a one free test for each of the examinations. So, and I think the paid version of this Practice Mock test series is very good. I mean, I have heard the reviews from other YouTubers as well. So when I take a paid version of the test series, I'll make another video of that as well. And the next website is Vision. So here also you can avail a free test. I mean, only one free test for each of the examinations. And the next website is Freshers Live. So here also you can avail only one free test for. So here it is, guys. Please do take a screenshot and save it in your folder, or just go to those links and bookmark in your Google. So but please do save it, like it will be very handy when you complete your basics. Also, if you haven't checked out my free resources and books for bank exams video, I'll provide you the link in the description. Please do check it out, and you can check it out the other videos as well. So also do let me know in the comment section, like what videos do you need in the filming days, so that it will be useful for you as well. So please do stay tuned to my channel and do like my channel. Like I have said it before, most of them are watching but they are not subscribing. So please do subscribe my channel. Do like, share and comment down. Do not forget to hit the bell icon. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, wear mask, stay safe. Goodbye.